Let me ask you something. Imagine you open a coffee shop, but instead of opening it on a busy street, you open one shop on every road in the entire country, highways, deserts, mountains, even places where goats outnumber humans. Congrats! That's old DeFi liquidity providing. Today we're talking about concentrated liquidity market makers, or CLMMs, the upgrade that said, why are we wasting money where nobody trades? We'll break down what CLMMs actually are, how they work, ticks, ranges, magic, why LPs can earn more with less money, and why this is not passive income anymore. As always, educational only, not financial advice. CLMMs, ISLs, concentrated liquidity market makers. In simple English, you choose where your money works. Old AMMs, like Uniswap v2, spread liquidity across all prices, even prices that will never happen. CLMMs, like Uniswap v3, let LPs choose a specific price range. Liquidity is concentrated where trading actually happens. Instead of being everywhere, you're exactly where the action is. How it worked. Deposit tokens walk away. Hope fees come in. Problem? Most of your capital just sits there, unused, unbothered, unproductive. Especially for stablecoin pairs low volatility assets. You're providing liquidity at prices that might never be reached. With CLMMs, you set a custom price range. Your liquidity is packed tightly around market price. Example: instead of providing liquidity from $0, $10,000, you provide from $0.99, $1, Now every dollar works harder. Let's break it down step by step. CLMMs divide prices into small steps called ticks. Think of ticks like ruler markings for price. When you provide liquidity, you choose a lower tick and an upper tick. That's your battlefield. Your liquidity earns fees only when price stays inside your range. Price inside range? Fees flowing price leaves range? Fees stop, liquidity goes idle. Your position basically says, I'll work only if the price behaves. Because your liquidity is concentrated, less capital equals more fees. Example: $1,000 in CLMM can earn same fees as $5,000 in old AMM. That's not magic, that's efficiency. Capital is actually used. More trades touch your liquidity. Higher ROI if managed well. Tighter spreads for traders. Less slippage. Better price execution. CLMMs benefit. LPs. Traders, the entire ecosystem. Now the part YouTube gurus forget to tell you. If price leaves your range, you stop earning fees. Liquidity converts to one asset. Your money just sits there. No alerts, no mercy. Because liquidity is concentrated, price moves hit harder. IL can happen faster. Higher reward equal higher risk. CLMMs are not set and forget deposit and chill. They are active strategy requires monitoring. Sometimes needs repositioning. LPs become liquidity traders. CLMMs are great for experienced DeFi users, active LPs, stablecoin strategies, range traders. Not ideal for beginners. People who hate monitoring, I just want passive income crowd. Start small, learn the mechanics. CLMMs didn't just upgrade AMMs, they changed the job description. Liquidity providing went from passive income to active strategy game. If you manage ranges well, you earn more with less capital. If you don't, the market humbles you fast. If this helped, like the video, comment CLMM. If you learned something, subscribe for more simple DeFi breakdowns. DYOR always, no financial advice.